I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short, y'all. Life is so short. As you can tell from the title, we have a wig review, and it's featuring Ollie Gray's hair. Ollie Gray's, your hair, your crown, and that's on period. So we have a wig review featuring Ollie Grace. So I'm super, super excited to work with Ollie Grace again. I've gotten some units from them before, and they always come through what they come through. So my nail broke. So I'm super excited to see what we got today, y'all. And I know it's gonna be everything. I just know it's gonna be everything. So we have a 24-inch 13x4 lace, by the way, glueless wig. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what we got today, y'all. It's the pink box for me. Y'all don't know that's one of my favorite colors. So before we get into the wig, we got a wig cap, which I definitely need because I got on this bonnet. So I got a wig cap, and they put a card in there that has instructions on how to take care of your hair, do's, don'ts, tricks, or whatever. And there's also a way for you to earn money. There's cashback options. You can post pictures, make a video, all that good stuff. So, and y'all know I'm a throw and go type of girl. Like, I gotta be able to put my wig on and take it off as necessary, because that's just me. I'm not one of those layer wig type girls. Now, that is something that I do want to learn eventually. But, for right now, with the hustle and bustle, I need convenience. And glueless wigs are super convenient for me. So let's take this net off. Ooh, look at the body wave eating. Ooh, and it feels so good, y'all. Now live for a natural color. Live. Oh, I wonder what we're gonna do to this girl. Okay. Okay, let's get into it. So like I said before, 13x4 lace. It does come with the baby hairs. It has a band, and I live for a band. Live. Because it makes sure that your wig stays snug on your head. And it has the comb in the middle, it has the comb in the back. And there's also combs on the sides as well. So sides, middle, and the back. And it has the straps in the back too. So with all of these, you're guaranteed for your wig to not move. So let's look at this lace, y'all. Okay. What we need to do is put on the wig cap, cut the lace, then figure out what I want to do with Miss Girl. Do we want to keep this body wave? Do we want to curl it a bit? Let's just get into it.
I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, 'cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. fun. This time I'm bringing up the big guns. Bang, bang, they wonder can I get some? What I got's for everyone. Yeah, sit down and get to know the sofa. Stand up when it's taking over. Come here if you was getting sober. What I got's for everyone. Yeah. In the bathroom, in the kitchen, on the balcony is where you'll find me. A galaxy away from my hometown. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. Turn it up, yeah, yeah. Cause this song is such a classic. Turn it up, yeah, 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 yeah. Right now, I don't know what my name is. Blah, blah, I'll mumble when I say shit. Calm down, don't fight me for the next hit. Got enough for everyone. Take a blow, have another one. Take it slow, can you save me some? On the floor, end up when we're done. Yeah, it's a lot for everyone. In the bathroom, in the kitchen, on the balcony is where you'll find me. A galaxy away from my hometown. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. Turn it up, yeah, yeah. Cause this song is such a classic. Turn it up, yeah, 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 yeah. Turn it up, yeah, yeah. Cause this song is such a magic. Turn it up, yeah, 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 yeah. It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, over. I don't know what you did, but it's alright with me. It doesn't matter any longer. I will forgive your flaws if you're forgiving mine. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, over.
So y'all, that really didn't take long at all. I kid you not, maybe about 20-25 minutes. All I had to do was put some lace tint mousse on there, which went horribly wrong because I got this from the hair store and it's not moussing. The mousse isn't moussing. a wax stick, the anti-frizz serum. And when I tell you this hair is so soft, like I really just wanted to stick with the body wave. So I did like subtle, I call them bed head curls, where I just wrap it around the wand and then leave it for a few seconds and then let it loose, scrunch it together. And you gotta look. Like it's giving really, I don't know, like it's almost giving natural, like. Like I had to get up close to even see because it really blends in. I have like a medium-sized head, so I feel like this wig is really snug, and normally I have to take the strap in the back and crisscross it to make it like super tight, but it's tight on its own, and then the band is just doing its job. It's doing its job. There's minimal shedding, minimal to no shedding. Like I said, the hair is super, super soft. Come on, Ollie Grace hair coming through with the come through again, as they always do. I'll make sure to put all the direct details down in the description box so that way you can head on over to Ollie Grace and buy your unit as well. Like, y'all got y'all fall hair ready? Are y'all ready for the winter? Going into the new year? You gotta have you some hair, some new hair, some good hair that you can keep and take care of, and that's gonna do you right. Good hair is an investment. Good hair is an investment. Invest with Ollie Grace and get you a good quality unit. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like this video. Of course, make sure that you comment down below your thoughts about this unit. Are you liking the curls? Would you have just went with the body wave? Would you put a little bit to it? Like, how would you style this unit? Let me know down in the comments. And most importantly, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. It's the way you act. It's the way you act. I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.